मेरे दोस्त जो है ना वो बोलते हैं कि हमें अगर भगवान होते हैं तो हमें दिखते क्यों नहीं है।
तो उनको पूछना कि हवा को देखे हैं उन लोगों ने या उनके बाप दादों ने।
वो बोलते हैं कि यदि हो तो साबित करके दिखाओ या फिर कोई प्रूफ हो तो उनके मानते हो तो।
हाँ बोले साबित कर देंगे। उनसे बोलना कि ये जो तुम्हारा बाप है पहले ये साबित करके बताओ कि यही तेरा बाप है।
This is the shittiest thing I have ever heard in argument of proving God. मेरे को एक ही सवाल पूछना है। देखो मैं अभी भगवान को मानती हूँ। आई एम नॉट एन अथीस्ट, आई एम थीस्ट। मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि गॉड है, लेकिन जब तुम लोग रैशनली सोचोगे तो सच में हम लोग भगवान को नहीं देखे हैं। यस, हम वी फेल्ट दैट एनर्जी। अब तुम लोग बताओ एनर्जी किस चीज़ में नहीं है? हर पार्टिकल में, हर एटम में, हर क्वांट में है, हर एक चीज़ में एनर्जी है, हर पार्टिकल में एनर्जी है, पूरा यूनिवर्स एक एनर्जी है। तो वो एनर्जी फील होगा ऑब्वियसली। तो कभी पॉजिटिव फील होगा, जैसे हम लोग देखना चाहेंगे वैसा फील होगा। तो इससे गॉड प्रूफ नहीं होते हम अगर रैशनली सोचें। लेकिन हम वहाँ तक लिमिटेड नहीं रहना चाहते। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि कुछ हो जो हमारे लिए बेनोवलेंट हो, हमारा हेल्प करे, जिसको हम लोग कुछ फॉर्म में सोच पाएँ। गॉड कई मायने से देखा जाए तो गॉड को हमने बनाया है। ये ओम का स्ट्रक्चर जो है ये अपने से कहीं से उतर के नहीं आया है। तो ये जो गॉड का बेनोवलेंस है, सबके लिए दयालु है, सबका हेल्प करता है, हमारे दुख को सुनता है, ये हमारा डेफिनेशन है। तो हम लोग ऐसे प्रूव नहीं कर सकते कि गॉड है कि नहीं किसी के। अब हवा को देख लो। हवा एक सेंसिबल थिंग है जिसको हम फील कर सकते हैं हमारे स्किन में। तो देखो, डज गॉड एग्जिस्ट, ये एक डिबेट था जो कि यूट्यूब में अवेलेबल है, यू कैन वॉच इट, ललन टैप चैनल पे। सो दिस वाज द डिबेट बिटवीन जावेद अख्तर सर एंड सम मुस्लिम स्कॉलर, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम, but as we know, Javed Akhtar sir is an atheist. He claims that he doesn't believe in God, so he supported that God does not exist. But that Muslim scholar tried to prove that God does exist by some of his philosophical theories, in which he argued in favor of God. One of his argument was contingency. So I want to talk about that. I had read it. So what contingency is, that everything in the universe has its cause. So everything in this universe has a cause. Like if I put a seed in soil and water it, it will become a plant. First it will become a sprout, and it will become a plant, and then eventually it will become a tree, and that tree will eventually have a fruit if it is a fruit tree. So the fruit has its cause in that tree, and that tree has cause in that plant, and that plant has cause in that sprout, and that sprout has cause in seed has cause in I putting it in soil and water, and I have cause of everything that nurtured me and brought me up to the level I'm putting that seed, and that has cause somewhere far behind, cause, and that effect are because of that cause. So every effect has its cause. So there is necessity of cause for every effect, and that scholar believes that if everything has its cause in this universe, then this universe also has its cause. Not big bang also has its cause. So the cause of all causes is the God, who is uncaused cause. For his cause there is no cause. If for his effect of being God has no cause. So this effect has no cause, and it is the ultimate cause of everything. There is no further cause. So everything starts from God. God is the first cause of all causes, unmoved mover. So from God every cause starts, and at the very end, cause of universe happened, and then everything, cause and effect, then we. So this is contingency. So I read Kant, and he says if you read a really basic of philosophy and really starting of Kant, there he is denying the existence of God on the basis of cosmological proof. So cosmological proof is nothing but this contingency. So he denies that contingency is applicable for sensible things, the things which we can experience by our senses. There are 5 sense organs, as we always read, like nose, skin, tongue, eyes, and ears. These are 5 sense organs by which we experience things, sensible things. So we can prove anything through contingency which are sensible, which we can experience by these 5 sense organs. But God is not a sensible thing. He is beyond senses. He or she, whatever we assign the gender as well. So God is beyond senses. She is super sensible. We can't prove the existence of God by contingency as well. So Kant says, if you believe in God, tell me you believe in God. That's it. No argument, no intellectual arguments, as the debate had between two very intellectual people, Javed Akhtar sir and that Muslim scholar. So God is not a matter of fact. God is matter of faith, and faith do not require evidence of its existence. Faith is something that we have, and we don't rely on any evidence of its existence. So God is matter of faith. The Javed Akhtar sir said it very clearly that tell me if you believe in God. It is faith. I don't believe in God. That it's my. So for everyone who believes that God does exist, believe it. Do it. It's your faith. Don't force me to believe it. Though I believe, but I'm not going to tell someone that, dude, God does believe and you have to. God does exist and you have to believe it. I believe it. Let it be here. Let it be. If someone do not wants to believe it, let them don't. If they want to believe someday, it's their will. So why everyone wants to try that God does exist? Believe that God does exist. If you don't believe, prove me that your father is your real father. What is this argument? Even God doesn't need argument. Kant says, don't give me intellectual arguments. Just say you believe in God. That's it. Don't prove me. That's your faith. So this Baba, I really hate this argument by him, and this is really shitty, I think. Really so bad. I'm just judging him by his 1 minute clip, and I don't think if I watch his entire video, and just my point of view will change about him. Because अब तुम ही लोग बताओ, इतना गंदा आर्गुमेंट है. अब मैं पूरा देख भी लूँगी तो मेरे को नहीं लगता कुछ ऐसा होगा कि मैं उनके तरफ से सोचने लग जाऊँगी. नो, गॉड वहाँ काम आते हैं जहाँ पे सारी उम्मीदें ख़त्म हो जाती हैं. लेकिन इफ़ यू स्टिल थिंक रैशनली, तो कहाँ देखा है हमने गॉड? कहाँ फील किया है? सारे पार्टिकल में एनर्जी है, तो वो एनर्जी फील किया हमने. स्टिल आई डोंट वांट टू से कि गॉड डजंट एग्जिस्ट. इट्स माई फेथ दैट आई बिलीव. इट्स योर फेथ. इट विल बी योर फेथ इफ़ यू डोंट. सो आई एम ओके विद दैट. जस्ट बिलीव वॉट यू बिलीव. Just have faith what you have faith in. If it change, it's okay. If it doesn't change, then it's okay as well. So God doesn't need arguments, yaar. God is beyond senses. We never saw God. We never had taste of God. We never felt God in skin. Someone touching God, touching like this, or we never heard God saying something, and we never smell God. So how can we say just that God does exist? It is as similar as we say God doesn't exist. We don't need argument to prove either of this. We just need to say we have faith in God. Just simple as that. I really don't know why people try to argue and argue and argue and argue and argue to prove God. Let it be now how it is. Just believe if it gives you peace of mind or peace of heart, and let it be. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I don't know why I'm ranting or trying to put my intellectual arguments here. But I really don't like this argument of this Baba, Pookie Baba. And it is really pathetic. I must say it is pathetic argument by him. If he believes, just believe na. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.